It's blowout season, y'all, and today I'm doing my niece's hair for her birthday. Let's waste no time, get straight into the video. I am shampooing her hair with the Whole Blends Maple Remedy Shampoo and Conditioner. So I had to make sure my niece was comfortable. I laid her across the countertop to shampoo her hair, hair in the sink. So as you'll see, I'm finna speed through this, but as you'll see with the second shampoo, this is the first shampoo, but with the second shampoo, I'm going to go in with the conditioner first, and you will see that in just a second. And go in with the conditioner first. I'm going to coat her hair with the conditioner, and then I am going to add the shampoo while the conditioner is still in her hair. And it's because her hair is so thick, and she had just taken some braids out. Her mom had just taken some braids out. Her hair is so thick. So that's the way that it's easy for me to detangle kind of while I'm still shampooing a little bit. So I'm taking the conditioner, as you can tell, putting it through her hair. And then I'm going to go in with the shampoo, and I'm going to shampoo her hair for the second time. And what you're going to see what you're not going to see that I'm going to do off camera is I'm going to condition her hair one more time once I rinse that second shampoo out. I'm going to condition it one more time, and I'm going to rinse it, and then I'm going to detangle. With the brush without the attachments, but you just have to be very careful. Matter of fact, just use the attachment, especially if you do not know what you're doing. Use the attachment. Do not burn the child. Don't burn yourself. This blow dryer gets really hot. But anyway, this was like, at this point in time, it was like 11:30 p.m. And my niece was sleepy, so you're going to see me put her hair in 2 big plaits, and I am going to do her blowout the next morning, which is her birthday. So this is how she's going to go to bed, with her 2 little people on stocking plaits. And y'all will see us in the next clip in my workspace doing her blowout. Another thing when doing a kid's blowout, you want to section their hair and blow out their, you want to do their the flat iron process in sections as well. And the flat iron I'm using is from Sally's. It is their store brand. I think it's called GVP. I'll insert a picture of the flat iron as well. I love these flat irons. Like, y'all, I'm talking about, swear by them. I absolutely love these flat irons. I'm talking one pass. I do not have to go through the hair multiple times. I hit the roots and then I hit it again to come down, and I go through literally one pass and do not have to go and flat iron a piece again. Like, seriously, absolutely love this flat iron. And right here you see me, I got Mama holding the ear. And Mama is my sister, so of course she is rocking the Elesia Beauty Co. shirts. It's only right. But anyway, do you see the test looking out? Like, do you see the shine, the natural shine? And y'all, this is a no product blowout. I do not use any products to do my blowouts. And don't get mad at the camera girl, because it's one of my older nieces, and with me speeding it up, it kind of made the video look a little bit like rocky a little bit, but y'all get the gist of it. Anyway, just check this flat iron out, like, for real. And no, this is no promo. I mean, I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I mean, I wouldn't mind it, GVP, Sally's, wherever y'all at. I wouldn't mind a sponsorship. So, but anyway, just check out the flat iron. Make sure y'all enjoy the rest of the video. I am getting ready to just, let some music play. I'm getting ready to flat iron. I'm going to do this section, and then you all see me jump back in, flat iron the last two pieces. And then I'm gonna do her style off camera, which I just did her little up, down, kind of soft wave, curly kind of style. And that was that. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you all try the shampoo and conditioner. Let me know if y'all try the flat iron.